This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lynn Miller. Public Rmrks, sophisticated 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in a restored period building in the historic Freemason District. Luxurious features and finishes throughout. High ceilings and period woodwork blend seamlessly with the modern renovation. Beautiful hardwood floors. Gourmet kitchen with custom cabinetry, granite and upscale appliances. Primary bedroom has a private bathroom and walk closet. Assigned storage and 2 off-street parking spaces. This is a rare find and won't last. Tenant occupied until June 25, 2021. Minimum 24-hour notice is required for all showings with a listing agent present. Must remove or cover shoes and follow all CDC Covid-19.